everybody. Today we are going to see billing control method in purchase management system, which can be defined for each and every product. These billing control methods can be defined in two ways. One way would be that the billing can be done based on the actual ordered quantities, and the other method would be to define the billing based on the received quantities. To configure and manage those, you need to go to purchase section. Under configuration settings, we have the option to define the default method of billing control. In most of the countries or in most of the companies, there is a generic policy on how the billing control would be done, either on ordered quantities or received quantities. So you can set a default, which means every time a new product is created, the system will select one billing control applicable to all. However, you will have the flexibility to modify and change this per product. So here we have defined the billing control to be on received quantities. Now, when we go to our products, so in this product, under purchase, we can define the control policy for vendor bills on ordered quantities and on received quantities. In this case, I'm going to change it on ordered quantities for acoustic loop screens. I'm going to select one more product. And for this product, I'm going to set it to on received quantities. That means two different products, two different billing policy. Now I'm going to raise a purchase order. I'm going to add a product. I have added 5 quantities to both the items, and I'm now going to confirm this order to raise the purchase order. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm now going to receive partial quantities for both the items. So acoustic glow screens. I'm accepting 3 quantities. And for the bolt, I'm going to accept 3 quantities as well. Once I validate, this operation would be complete, and I'm also going to create back order to indicate that I will be receiving the pending shipments later. If I go back to my purchase order again, I can see that there are 2 receipts. 3 quantities have already been received as indicated in the received column for both of them. Now for acoustic block screens, we had defined that it will be based on ordered quantities, and for bolt we had defined to be on received quantities. So when I click on create bill right from this purchase order, we will see how the system performs the operation automatically. As you can fairly see, in case of acoustic block screens, even though the quantities received were 3 in nature, but here the billing is complete because the billing was defined based on ordered quantities. But in case of bolt, the billing is done only for 3 quantities because it was primarily based on received quantity. Okay. Of course, it it is possible for you to modify this further based on manual inputs, but in this way the system would be able to automate these operations. Okay. In this way, all these things can be managed. If required, such features can also be defined on configuration within product categories, but these are parts of customization that might be required for you to make these modifications. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.
Like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel videos and you will be getting a lot. And yes, don't forget to comment upon these videos, because if you comment on these videos, this will really going to give us the motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.